Hi, I'm Kerry from Abilene, Texas. My husband Paul and I are the owners of the Smoke and Go Grill. If you don't know what that is, it is a portable grill, which is also a smoker, which is also a fire pit. It's a 3-in-1 thing. Anyway, we're stuck at home with the coronavirus, trying to figure out what we can do, so we thought, let's make a video. And we love jalapeno poppers, and we're going to demonstrate how to make jalapeno poppers, and then we're going to put them on the grill. Go to your local grocery store, and hopefully they have jalapenos. And I like to get these kind of bigger ones like this, that nice and firm. And of course these have been scrubbed. Cut the end off, like so. And then you make a nice smooth cut right down the center of the pepper, like that, exposing all your seeds and your membrane, which you don't want. I use a grapefruit spoon, which I have found works really well for cleaning out the middle because it's got the serrated edges and it just kind of slices through there. So just put your spoon underneath there and give it a little push, and then you can just kind of scrape it out, removing as many of the seeds as you can. And if you want to, you can rinse the seeds out. It's not a big deal either way. They're not going to hurt you, but just scoop them out the best you can. So, and you're going to do that, of course, to all your peppers. And then you get your cream cheese, which is just plain old cream cheese. I've let this sit out at room temperature for about an hour so it's nice and soft and spreadable. And just kind of slice off a little piece of it. And then just spread it inside your pepper like so. Making it, kind of even with the depth of the pepper. Do the other half. And spread it out. Like so, okay. Now, you've stuffed all your peppers with your cream cheese and you're ready to wrap them with the bacon. And I like to get the center cut pieces of bacon rather than buy the whole, the long strip, just because these peppers aren't that big. And if you use a whole strip of bacon, then you've just wrapped it till there's just bacon. So that's my preference, but that's just me. And here's what I like to do. You take the bacon and you lay it, you want to slide in here and watch this. Lay it across the fat side or the big side of the pepper, and then just kind of pull it just a little so that it overlaps the other side of the bacon, and just kind of wrap it around, and then just tuck it under like so. And you don't have to use a toothpick or anything. I used to do toothpicks to hold the bacon on there, but if you really wrap it like that, you don't need a toothpick. It just sort of gets in the way, and then you have to pull it out, and it makes a mess, and it's just unnecessary. So get your peppers, and then once again, just lay it across like so, and pull the bacon a little tight, just stretch it a little, and then just lay it across that little pepper, and voila, you're done. These are going to be ready to cook here. All right, so we've got our grill nice and hot, and we are going to put these peppers on here and cook them. We're going to cook them hot, but we're going to smoke them. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these little peppers sort of around the edge of the grill. We built our charcoal sort of in the middle because we don't want them to get too hot and burn, because believe it or not, to cook these things right, it takes about 45 minutes because you want the bacon to cook and get crispy, but you don't want it to burn. So we just sort of lay them around the perimeter of the fire and let them cook. So then we're going to put the lid back on there and cook these little babies. Okay, so I think these are ready. We've cooked them for about 45 minutes at 265. So they've had a chance to smoke as well as get toasty. And let's see what we have here. Some lovely little jalapeno poppers, roasted, toasted, Abilene style.
So Kerry, what are we having for dinner tonight?
Well, tonight we're having grilled jalapeno peppers, which were cooked on the smoke and go.
100% jalapeno peppers?
Pretty much. I did throw in a little sauteed squash with some onions
Okay,
for
okay.
just a little variety. But basically, we're having our poppers.
All right.
So let's give them a go.
Low carb,
Yeah.
toasty on the bottom.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
So good. So good.
They're good in the oven. They're good in the oven, but they are extra good.
The grill gives them the smoke, which is delicious. Well, all right. Well, guys, I'd like to say, I hope you've enjoyed our video. I'd like for you to check out our other YouTube videos about the Smoke and Go Grill. And in closing, I'd like to say, from our grill to yours, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.